super exciting for me. I've met a lot of people, entrepreneurs, startups, and well, obviously investors. At Drone Madness, we're trying to revolutionize the drone racing. And so far, every drone racing has been physical, so you have to build a drone, bring it somewhere, and then race maybe with your team and then fly back. So it's super expensive and hard, and you need to have technical skills. What we're doing here is developing a software which will allow people to connect to the racing tracks and the drones, which are in Bulgaria right now, and do this literally from their couch, anywhere, let's say in Alaska or Australia, and just race. So obviously one racing track will allow 6 to 8 drones, which will be racing at the same time. But in total, we will have 72 drones for 3 racing tracks. That's our first stage.
Glue Collaboration, it's a universal collaboration platform, which basically means that we can have shared virtual spaces that can be accessed by many users in different regions using different devices. So for instance here, she's talking to my colleague who is in a remote location in Helsinki. She's collaborating with my colleague in a shared virtual space, so they can draw together, move objects together, and basically have the human presence as we would have basically being next to each other in real life. So with this kind of technology we can revolutionize remote meetings from 2D kind of traditional screen meetings into meetings that we can actually walk in the same physical space.
So Arctic15 is one of the best events all over the world for getting people meet, like-minded people meet and do businesses together and agree on deals, get the investment, get the work done together. And Deal Room, being a platform providing this utility to the people to book meetings in advance in like 80-90 tables here, above 6,000 meetings for 2 days, bringing over 1,500 people together and arranging all their meetings, their time, their agenda. It works in a perfect way. It gives the value to the people, it gives the job done, and then people are able to follow up once the event finished, to gather up their notes and keep communicating, make the business happen.
Investing in general still is, it is quite local. So you have, especially on the angel side, you have a lot of angels investing into companies who are local, like they're very close by. Whereas with our kind of platforms, like what Invesdor is, you start to sort of open up this possibility for anybody who's interested about, let's say, Fintech investing in Europe or even globally. So you are opening up these possibilities for others to find these sources, because otherwise it's very difficult to find local cases. So what we are seeing is that the cross-border investing is sort of starting to pick up, and we've seen a sort of growth on the cross-border side on our platform. And a lot of these business angel sort of networks are also talking about the cross-border investing more and more. The plan is to bring this digital fundraising experience to the DACH region and creating a pan-European player.